spring, spring, spring. Hello, I'm Clay from a frog stream in Long Valley, New Jersey, and I'm here to bring you this week's Weekly Ribbit. It's spring. See all the snow back there? It really is spring. It's April here in New Jersey, and yesterday, this happened. That was our fun April Fool's joke of 2018. However, it really is spring. Spring is here, and we're all going outside. We're having some nice weather, some not so nice weather, but still we're teased with that 70-degree weather, and we go outside and we look at our yards and we think about all the projects we want to do and what we'd like to upgrade in our backyards and what we'd like to do to make it more relaxing and enjoyable for ourselves. And maybe you're even thinking about putting in a pond or a water feature. And a question we get asked quite a bit is, do I need to get a permit to have a pond or water feature put in my backyard? And it's a great question. It's a very difficult question for us to answer because every township is different. It really depends on what they classify as being a pond or a pool. Let me try and break this down. If you're looking to just get a water feature such as a bubbling fountain, pondless waterfall, something like that, you're typically not going to need a permit at all to have one of those installed. However, if you're looking to put in a pond, something with open water, townships usually have two parameters that could classify that pond, that fish pond, as a pool. And that is overall maximum depth and overall square footage. And like I said before, every township is different. Most towns in New Jersey, though, most towns that we've worked in, the pond can't be more than 2 feet deep, and then they have a square footage, and that changes all the time. So we do have to call every year to find out what their guidelines are. And that is something we will do for you should you decide to have something like this done. We'll actually call the town, find out what their code is, and then let you know. And even if it is classified and you need a permit, the only reason you typically need a permit is because you'll need to have a fence put in. You have to have a pool grade fence put in. So that is typically how towns work in New Jersey. And like I said, they're all different. Everyone has their own codes, and some of them may not even let you put one in without a permit because you need a fence. But that's something we would certainly help you with and help find out for you. The only thing you may need a permit for is if you don't have power out there yet. If you don't have power and you need to run the power, then that's something that you would need to get a permit for, to have either a pond or a water feature put in. So that's this week's Weekly Ribbit. And don't forget, if this is your pond, make sure you click the link below that says I saw my pond to get your free AFD apparel. And if you have any questions, please click the link that says Weekly Ribbit question submission. Submit your questions, submit your pictures, and you too can be featured on the Weekly Ribbit. Thanks a lot for listening, everyone. Have a great week, and no more snow!